What is up mga ka-tech shop? For today's video mga ka-tech shop, I'm gonna be showing you how to perform password reset for Infinix Smart 8. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are interested on this video, share it to your friends. Don't forget to put your comments down below. Let's go. Alright mga ka-tech shop. So the customer, the owner of this phone, forgot the password, and we need to remove the Gmail account on this phone. So to do that, we'll be using unlock tool. On the unlock tool, click on Infinix and look for hot 30i. Click on erase FRP, or you can also select factory reset, and it's gonna reset the phone and remove the Gmail account attached to this phone. The next step is to shut off the phone, turn off the phone, and then as you can see here, unlock tool is ready. It's just waiting for the phone. So the phone, on the phone, you'll need to press and hold the volume down button, and then plug in the USB cable. So USB cable is connected to the computer, and then wait. And now it's performing a reset. After that, we'll set up the phone like it's a brand new cell phone, and then that's it. Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're interested in this kind of video. And you can also visit on my Facebook page, John Burn Tech Shop. Let's go!